very different, meaning different root. Here in the refer to the satire, refer to the subject, is a part of the treaty, therefore neuter gender in the group. And the later version he explained why he will explain among the many chapters, Sandi, Nama, Karaka, Samasa, Tadida, Akhayada, Kita. Kitayana Vyakarana, we classify the 8 chapter Unadi Kappa. In the Padarupa City, only classify the 7 chapter. Here Saranidi also will classify the 7 chapter. Therefore here he find out the among these 7 chapters why he need to explain first Sandi. We already studied Kitayana Vyakarana, Sandi as a part chapter. Why do we need to study the Sandi as a part? The author Venerable Kitayana doesn't explain. Based on the arrangement of the his attention, we studied it, but we don't know what is the attention, why he arranged Sandi as a fast. But here, Venerable Agawinsa, he trying to explain according to his intention or his purpose. Why he arranged Sandi as a first chapter, maybe Sandi is as a salt. Every curry we need the salt. Without salt, this curry will not be tasty. Therefore, Sandi, every part of the Buddha work, we can find the Sandi. This is his opinion. Therefore, he tried to explain the Sandi chapter first. Okay, let's go to the another paragraph. Tattha Yasama. Okay, the first line panel, 4 panel, can you read? Tattha Yasama. Yeah, Tattha.
Tattha Yasama, Sarike Janama, Lona Namiya, Sabbasu, Sabbasu,
Have you read it like in Myanmar or Roman Pali? Myanmar, yeah, not so good. You need to try to read that Roman Pali because we are associated with the international student. Because we used to read the Myanmar poem. At the time, easy, but when you actually can read the Roman Pali poem, word combination is very easy. In the Myanmar poem, it will change into ya. It and ya is the appearance not the same in Roman. I and Y is similar to pronunciation. Change it also easily can we read it. They will try to read, and I want you to read the Roman English poem. Okay. Tattha Yasama Sandi Kejanama Lona Dupanawiya Sava Yanjanesu Sava Kama Amijoviyaja Sava Raja Kechesu Savatha Eshitavam Hoti Tasama Sandi Nama Karaka Samasadi Pavedesu Sandi Pavedam Patamam Pakasaya Sami. Okay, let me start. And here we already studied the Pali word. Try to translate the Pali sentence. But first we need to find out the 3 things. Main word, Akhayata word, and present participle word, and past participle word. If you can find out these 3 things, you can translate easily. Here in this paragraph, Sava Vyanjanesu, Sava Gamecha Mito. At the time, the first sentence, the Hoti is the main word. The later sentence, the Pakase Sami is the main word. Pakase Sami is the Chucha. Chucha can. Yes, Boy Sandi Vivati. Therefore, when we consider this Tasama, we see the Tasama, therefore, we need to find out the Yasama. Okay, even the past sentence can be long, but we can make it short. Tattha Yasama Sandi Kejanama Hoti. Lorna Dupanawiya Saba Bijinisu iti 1 example. Saba Kamecha Amejo Wiyaja Saba Raja Kichisu iti another example. Therefore, in this sentence, Sandi Kijanama Sabatha Echi Davam Hoti. Sabatha Echi Davam Hoti. In this sentence, made by the hoti, but here in the before the hoti we see the echitaba. This is the future passive participle. Therefore, we can translate it Sandi Kijanama Kita means the passion of the Sandi. The passion of the euphonium can be needed in every places. Sabatha. Like what? Lorna Dupanawiya Saba Bijinisu. In all curry, like it, salt. Saba Kameja Amijoviya Saba Raja Kijisu. The affair of the king, like a minister who has the position in everywhere or every places. Tasama Sandi Nama Karaga Samasa Dekda Bisu. Therefore, amend the chapter the euphonic, noun, sentence, compound, and so on. He will explain or he will find out Sandi chapter first. Because he said it. Dasama, because of the Dasama, this Dasama referred to the whole previous sentence, that time Yasama sentence. Therefore, Sandi is very important in every places. He will explain the Sandi chapter past amend the 7th chapter. Okay, let's go to the next sentence. Even then, Pakasindo. Jahan, Patama Dara, Winna the Moba Gadasa, Sada, Opade Yewa, Senya Vidana Diki, Sade, Pakasisami. Yeah, in this sentence, Pakasindo, this is the present participle. Present participle, we can translate it the same as it is, sometimes as a noun, sometimes based in the case we can translate it as a nominated absolute, located absolute, and genitive absolute. Yang dan Pakasindo Jahan Jahan. This is the nominated absolute. I want to explain that Sandi chapter. Patama Dharan, firstly, when that the Mopagadasa, we need to separate it as a Sandi. When that dam Upagadasa. When that dam Upagadasa. Sadasa Upadeyewa Senya Vidanadi San Sade Pakasisami. Here, before explaining the about the Sandi, he used the Pakasisami, Pakasayasami, future tense. Therefore, when we write down our thesis or 10 paper, at the time introduction or like it, abstract, we need to use the tense. We cannot use as a past tense, past perfect tense. We cannot use. In this abstract and introduction, we need to use only the simple present and present perfect. We can use this. Yeah, we can apply the every part. Why he write it out like this. Tense usage also we can apply. Pakasindo Jahan Patamat. When not the man, when not then, when not that mean the, when not mean the letter or alphabet. To appear the letter or alphabet. Why you need to write it down in the based on the our sound. Based on the our sound, this sound center is also according to the Abhidhamma to pronounce or to recite or to make a sound. We have the two causes, mind and weather, Jeta and Hudu. Among these, when we recite the whatever part of the letter, not based on the weather, but based on our mind, we will recite it, we will pronounce it. Therefore here, he tried to explain the many parts. To pronounce the letter, sada its sound is very important. Based on our sound, we will write it down. And we will know as our pressure team, whatever we want, based on our sound. And maybe sound, how to pronounce, technique also he will explain. Okay. Another one, the Akasa, Nila Pabido, Pabida, Nesido, Jadaja Sado Yewa, Wanada, Mupagado, Sado. Among the two types of the sound, here to pronounce the 41 alphabet or letter, main is the our Jadaja Sada. This Jadaja Sada, where he come from, means the Akasa, based on the Akasa element. In the Abhidhamma, Akasa Parajita Rupa. And then the Akasa Parajita Rupa, this Akasa Parajita Rupa is also where it come from in the Akasa. In the Sudanta, we have the wild element. This wild element also, we have so many types of the wild element. Asasa, Pasasa also elements. Asasa, Pasasa cannot be pronounced any alphabet. Therefore here Akasa is what type of Akasa means. That means the Ujjarana Saha. That means the our air element to pronounce the letter. Based on our effort, our mind, this alphabet will pronounce correctly. Some alphabet we cannot pronounce it. In this way, Jadaja Sada will appear. Even Buddha, Jesa, Na, Sakala Gayi, Obejati. This Jadaja Sada, Akasa Dadu, cannot be arised in every part of our body. Because we have the six types of the wild element, Adokama, Odegama, Asasa, Pasasa, and so on. We have the six types of the Akasa. Vayodhatu. Among these Vayodhatu, here and what types of Vayodhatu mean cannot be pronounced. Odegama Vayo, Adogama Vayo cannot be pronounced. Here actually the Jadaja Vayo. Jadaja Vayo will be based on our mindset when pronounce it. When we feel unhappy, our voice also not so normal. When we be happy, our voice also will be pleased. When we get angry, based on our sound, the listener will be also feel angry or feel unhappy because of our voice. This voice is caused by our mindset. Therefore, we need to be careful. Yeah, to pronounce the letter also we need to pronounce correctly based on our mind. But mind only cannot produce. To produce the sound, we need the other supplement. These are called the Impalitana. In English translation, the place of articulation. Place of articulation, generally we classify the 5. But here, we can see that here he find out only the first 3 things. Con Chi Sada Urasi, Koji Gante, Koji Sirasiti, Tisu Tanesu, Obejati. The sound arises in the 3 places. Yeah, iti, sida, siti. Iti in the basic level in the Parliament easy translation technique where you can see in the 7 method. Open inverted comma, close inverted comma also we can use as the iti. And another thing is saying or thinking or talking or calling and shouting, supporting. In this 7 situation, we can use iti. When we use the iti as a object, before the ET, this Sira C in the which case means must be the nominated case. Even though object mostly we use the accusative case, but when we use ET as an object, before the ET case it must be the nominated. This usage also we can use. In English translation, direct and indirect speech usage. Even though we use it, it is said that at the time we can use the active voice. We know that this although the full sentence is the object of this set. English also here, Pali also like this. Therefore, we can use here et, as or such as. Sometimes we make it as a srupa. Here the set of urasi. Koji urasi, some black hair arise in the chest. Koji kante opijati. Some black hair arise in the throat. Some black hair will arise in the head. This is the letter straight. Our head cannot be the pronoun any letter. Here is in the Khmer writing style we use as a figurative word, metaphorical. In Pali, upachara. Figurative word. Actually, this our head cannot pronounce, but you can check it. The three parts: urasi, chest, and throat. Throat and chest is the another part of the head. But in the head, according to the Sodana, eye, ear, nose, tongue, these are the already included. In the grammatical time, platter, guttural, labial, dental, lingual. These among the five parts, here is the already checked the dental part. Included in the CRC. And another the platter, our mouth, is also included among the head part. Therefore, here is the he used the figurative word, not the direct word. In direct speech, we can understand. Our head cannot be pronounced anything, but many part of the place of articulation is exit or situated in the head. Therefore, he used the CRC. Okay, this is also we can noted this is he used the CRC. Okay. After explaining in brief, he tried to explain the detail. We say Sado Pana, Bhagavato Sado, Kapasada Sada Dikane, Jatari Asinkiyani, Purida, Dana Siladi, Parami Ponyena, Parisodita, Withauda, Navido Pathaya, Somaranado, Maharanano, Sado Viya, Patapita Sima Devi, Abaliya, Odo, Wisodo, Atina Samanagado, Odawa, Samota Didi. Okay. Here, the blessed one speech is also similar to us because he is also human. Therefore, he can speak like us. But our sound and the blessed sound is not that similar because he who paid the compassion parami for Asinkhiya and one kappa. 1,000 kappa. Therefore, his voice is so clear. Belong to the 8th feature when he pronounce the whatever Pali word, whatever speak. His sound is so pleased. In the like Patana, already mentioned in the Patana commentary, similar to the blessed one had there, 8 good quality, some of the blessed one. That means when we hear his sound, this is very peaceful for the listener. And after listening, his voice is also so clear. That means sometimes when we feel sick, our throat is not so normal, at the time our voice not so clear. The blessed one never feel like this. Whenever he talk or whenever he give the Dhamma talk, his voice is so clear. And his voice is ever smoothly, very careful or very flexible, or we can hear. When we listen to his sound, after listening one time, we are so pleased. We can understand it like a Patajara. She is the mad person. At the time he came to the Blessed One, only the Blessed One called the Pali Wangwa Bagini in English sister. Only this sister saw, after hearing, she became the normal person. She already recovered her mat. At the time, we can understand how pleasurable the voice of the Blessed One and how compassionate the Blessed One he is. Therefore, his sound is very peaceful. And then, when he wants to listen, we can hear it. When he doesn't want to listen at this sound, we cannot hear. Even though we sit down in front of him, we cannot hear it. You can imagine about the Venerable Yasa. Yasa listened to the Dhamma talk and then he became the Sotapanna. After that, his father came to the Blessed One. And then the Blessed One did the Dhamma talk. His father, at the time, Venerable Yasa, he doesn't hear anything. Because of the Blessed One, only he want to listen to his father. Therefore, those person only can hear it. And then the Blessed One sound is not so high tone ever, not so low tone ever. Based on the listener attention, he can make it high tone, low tone, and also nowadays I see many uses rod pot and jet, something like that. He can already by himself. No need to make any effort. Automatically he can change it. 8 part of the characteristic include in the Blessed One sound. Why? That means he fulfilled the Dana Sila, 10 types of the Parami perfection. Therefore his voice is so clear. Peta Sema. That means the Peta in the past, Sema means the by. Not because of the past and by, Apali Bobo. Wisdom. This past and by cannot be disturbed when the Blessed One sound, not to be clear. Ever clear the Blessed One sound. Therefore, when he talk about it, his sound is so clear and so pleasurable for the listener. And hear that how many person, it doesn't matter if he has attention. Everybody want to listen at the time. Everybody will hear his sound. This is the based on his attention. You can check it in the like Samsoda. I remember the Sula Hatopama Soda at the time. One of the disciples, he expound the Dhamma in the Brahma plane, but in the human plane, the men also can hear it. Because of the based on their attention, the listener will understand it. Here, based on the mindset why our alphabet will be pronounced, but even though mindset is the same, but we cannot make a comparison with the Blessed One because of his personality. Ewen Tisu Tanisu Opano So Jadaja Sado Kantha Talu Moda Dandatana Dandata Sekhatani Panjathana Nigdidawa Vendada Rupa Gichati. In this way, based on our mindset related to the 5 places, our alphabet or letter will be arise. Your 5 places are the Kantha, Katre, Talu, Plata, Modaja, Lingua, Danda, Dante, Uttha, labia or lip. Ya Sinkhadani, Paja Hanani. Ya Sankhadani, Sinkhada is the, we can translate it here as a call or name. Five places such as or call or name. In the English translation, Sinkhadani we can use as a semicolon also we can use. When we write it down, we are the 5 students. We want to mention these 5 students together with the name detail. At the time in English translation, sometimes we can use semicolon, sometimes we can use the such as. Therefore, here Sinkhada also we can use semicolon and such as. Such as means the category, platter, language, dental, labia. Like this, we can mention. Idani Wakamihi, Uddakayo, Vijarayo, Desu, Tanesu, Obanaya, Jajaja, Batawi, Tanira, Upadina, Patawi Dadu, Kadina, Sado, Jayati. Yeah, we had that. Mention the 2 types of the art element. Get it down? Art element. Art element produced by the mind. Art element produced by the wind. Among these 2 things, by getting or by touching each other, we will pronounce the sound. Even though sometimes our mind is so happy, but our body Vayodhadu, that how we is not good at the time cannot be pronounced easily. Our mind, our throat, very amazing. In the world, many languages can pronounce, even though one mouth. But we are studying in Myanmar at the time, Myanmar pronunciation can be. Basically, our environment, we can pronounce it correctly. Therefore, nothing is so straight, but we need to practice. Practice makes perfect, therefore, some scholars said it like this. Therefore, we practice the pronunciation can be pronounced easily. The Pali, we can check it in our life. How many times can we hear the Pali language? Never. But now you study the 3 years in university, you hear it. At the time you can pronounce. But some Pali word, you cannot hear it. At the time you cannot pronounce it. Some strange word, at the time, many persons think about it, or longer persons think about it, oh, this is difficult. But for to be scholar, never think like this. Oh, this is the taste of the language. When we see the little strange word or unfamiliar word, we can change our mindset, not the difficult word. Oh, this is the taste of the language. We can find it now. Now you will graduate in your thesis. You need to find the difficult word because try to explain for the other person. Therefore, after finish your thesis, you never afraid any strange word. Now you find difficult word with the intention. I want to face with the difficult word because you need to write down. Even though you find the whole pages, you cannot find something. Sometimes 2 paper, 3 paper, one chapter already finished, but you cannot find the difficult word. Because of the, you try to find. After finishing your MA, you never afraid of any strange word. If you hear or if you face with the same strange word, oh, I need to make analyze to be clear, and then you will be happy. Therefore, here in this today also you face with the some Pali or pastime, you will think, oh, this is difficult. And then later you won't difficult it. They will change, start from today your mindset, not the difficult word or the taste of the language you can find it. Okay, let's read the last paragraph. Ewe so sano, dwena, dabuna, kadana wasina, banja kanani, kadenawa, manata, parunati, viridaba, ima same, sarame, kakane, sogani, sawami, kamija, ahuni, kamija, kakawa, radama. In the Pradhanupasati sometimes, even though one person, we will use the plural form. Because we want to pay respect to some other person, even here the only one person, we can use the plural form. Here also, Vadama. So all the venerable elders are here, the only one person, but he used the plural sign. Past person, plural mark, termination. Because he went to pay respect himself. And he went to please by writing this grammar book, he used the plural sign. Even so said, Dwayna Daduna Katana Wasina by catching the two root. Pinja Tanani Katidawa by catching the high place of articulation. We already know the gerund. Katidawa, we can translate the three methods. Having but three and after but ing. Sometimes we can translate it but one and end. Therefore, Katidawa, having touched the high place of articulation or after touching high place of articulation. Here you will with the Katana, Wasina. Wasana, Wasina, in Myanmar we can translate the 5 techniques. Here the instrument, but in English we use only the by means of or intense of. Because of this is the phrase using by means of intense of. Intense of touching the two elements. When the babuna that sound reach to the alphabet. It is within the band. It should be known. It should be known that that sound reach to the alphabet. After getting the 5 places of articulation, in terms of touching the two elements. Imasami Sadaniti Pakarani. In this Sadaniti treatise, Sotani, Savodika Nija, Katawa Vadama. I said, having made the explanation and without explanation, I said Sota. Savodika Nija together with the explanation. Avodika Nija without explanation. Because some are divine. Reciting the Sutta already know. Yeah, Savodika Nidhi here in the later part, number 1 Sutta, Appa Buddhi, Kadalisa Sadavana. Other time, by reading this Sutta, we cannot understand. Therefore, he will explain together with the explanation. In the Sutta number Sutta number 9, Digon Karu. Digon, we already know the long vowel. Therefore, he doesn't try to explain anymore. Those types of writing is called the Avodikani Suttani. He find out what are the Digani, the R, E, U. Be careful. In the Ijayana and Adarupa say the long vowel is the 5. Here, Sadaniti said to find out long vowel the only 3. Therefore, based on the order, we need to analyze it. Because now we study as the academic writing style, MA style. Therefore, we need to be careful whatever part. We already know long vowel the 5, but in this book, this order find out long vowel the only 3, R, E, E only, not the including the A vowel and O vowel. Here, later he will explain why he doesn't count A and O vowel as a diga. In this way, we can notice the many explanations. Here today I will start it here, but attention, you need to study by yourself. Before attending the class, you need to read it by yourself. At the time, if I translate it, you can note it. If you read together with me, you cannot follow. I know it. Because for you is the past time. Pali to English translation. So in the diploma, BA, there, you try to translate in the many students in the exam time avoid this question. They never try to sit that exam this question because they think, oh, this is very difficult, Pali to English translation is difficult. They skip it, those types of questions. But now, if you study as a Pali Veda student, you will be good in the this translation. By reading, based on this, we can translate it. And somehow also I will find out, today I find out that's the present participle translation technique. And past participle, we can translate it as a pi method. As it is, part of the past participle, present perfect, past perfect, noun side. Pi way we can translate it. Present participle, we will translate it as it is, noun. Sometimes based on the absolute sentence, we will translate it why and when. And terrain, we will translate it three techniques. In this way, we need to understand. Whatever long sentence, you can translate it. Some part I will find out here. Sankhada, we can translate it as a semicolon and such as. We can translate it. This is the good chance for the Pali Veda students. Because we can read it, the original Pali word, and how to translate, we can apply. Okay, let's start here our class. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.